it's Tori. I'm here today with an unboxing video from Shirley Simple Shelving. Yay! Okay guys, so I just picked up all of my packages from Shirley Simple Shelving and look at the tape. Just look at this. How cute is this? This one is the mini easy and this one is the big easy, and all of the packages came so well wrapped I don't even want to open them up. I discovered Shirley Simple Shelving on Instagram and I was immediately intrigued by what they had to offer. How often do you come across a piece of furniture that's 100% customizable? Along with the rest of the world, I fell in love with houseplants during the pandemic. And after getting my first one last year, like most of my obsessions, this one got out of hand pretty quickly. Pretty soon, I was looking at a collection of 15 houseplants with nowhere to display them. The thing was, I was having a hard time finding something that would fit my space, both in terms of style and dimensions. See, I live in a home with floor-to-ceiling windows, and our interior decor is what I would call casual, modern, glam, with lots of chrome and gold and glass, and just a little bit of wood here and there. A lot of the shelves that I was seeing on Amazon, Wayfair, and other online furniture stores were cute, but they just weren't my style. So when I came across Little Plant Boss's Instagram with these beautiful acrylic shelves in steel frames from Shirley Simple Shelving, I was over the moon. Here were these gorgeous, modern, angular shelves that would allow me to take advantage of all the natural light in my living room. So I was super excited to finally find a shelving solution that could work for my tiny little nest in the sky, and I reached out to Shirley, and she told me that she was rolling out a brand new product using acrylic shelves for a higher end indoor look, as opposed to the outdoor shelves that she has in her main product line. I ended up with a custom order for a black Little Easy shelf with 3 acrylic shelves. And since we have high ceilings, I also added 18-inch leg extenders. Let me tell you guys, even before I opened the packages, I knew I was in for a treat. These boxes were so heavy. As I pulled out all of the shelving frames and acrylic shelves, I fell in love. What's really unique about these shelf frames is that they're finished with a premium powder coat instead of regular paint. And if you guys didn't already know, basically, powder coating involves media blasting the metal, spraying it with colored powder, and then baking it in a high temperature oven. You get clear, which also adds more gloss and protection, and powder coated finishes are extremely tough, and they last a really, really long time, longer than regular paint. So not only are they gorgeous, they're also really easy to maintain. So to put together the display shelf, all you need to do is first install your shims for stability, and then slide your shelves into place. There are no screws necessary. It's super easy to assemble and disassemble, which makes it so simple to use them for any purpose, in any space. And if you want to add mobility to your shelfie, Shirley also offers casters. And if you want to add just a little bit of height, like 1 or 2 inches, you can buy adjustable feet. And if you want to replace your plastic feet, you can also buy replacements in her online store. Everything's available in the Shelfie accessories section. And the end result is a display shelf that's sophisticated, smart, and really stylish. Since it's such a simple design, this display shelf is perfect anywhere in the house. I plan to use it as a bar cart when I have friends over for dinner, as a bookshelf for my book collection, and maybe even as an entryway table. So this is my new shelfie, and this is the Little Easy on 18-inch leg extenders, and there's some adjustable feet that we installed on the bottom. Isn't it gorgeous? So I'll do a little close-up. So I have all the plants neatly displayed. I have my sun lovers on the edge nearest the window, and I just love it. I think I'm gonna put a little piece of artwork or maybe a mirror above here. We'll see. I'll post some photos when I do. I love it. Finally, I just wanted to say thank you to Shirley for sending me such an amazing product. Head over to shirleysimpleshelving.com and check out their Little Easy. If you want a similar look to mine, just reach out to Shirley through their Contact Us page. If you need a smaller shelf for your bathroom, office, or kitchen, check out their tabletop, plexi, and mini easy shelves. And if you need a bigger shelving option, they also have the Big Easy, the Triple Easy, which comes in 2 sizes, and the Grandstand Easy. Thanks for watching. See you guys in the next video.